I love the fall because you got football, you've got all your home improvement projects that you're tackling before the winter hits, and of course you got to deal with those pesky leaves that are falling in your yard. But if you are in the market for a blower, take a look at this right here. This is the Cordless Blower by Ego. Now you've got, your electric blowers and you got your gas blowers, and they all have their good points, but let me tell you about this one right here. First of all, it's operating on a 56-volt lithium-ion battery. What does that mean? That means that's got a lot of bang for its buck, baby. This thing is really powerful. As a matter of fact, when compared with other gas-operated blowers, it actually performs better because it's got a lot of pack and punch. You've got about an hour runtime on this battery. It only takes about 40 minutes to charge it up. And let me just show you how powerful it is. Now, it's got a variable speed, so I'm going to move it over to high. Watch this little flag right here. Woo, baby! So, if you've got a lot of leaves to move, this is definitely the blower to get. I love it.